What a great personalized tour! Christian was a wonderful guide with outstanding knowledge of the culture and history of Tahiti. The food preparation and experience was only the beginning of a great tour. The walking tour through Papeete was excellent. He grew up on the very streets we walked. If you can spare a few hours on the island of Tahiti, you don't want to miss this fun and educational experience. Christian was very nice and tried to accommodate us. Unfortunately, it was a very hot day for walking and there were no tables at the park to eat our lunch at. Christian was great, I would definitely recommend him. Very knowledgeable and great food.